Internet, I'm Scott, and this is a PLUGHITZ Live how-to. Today we're going to take a look at how to set up a Monster Smart Illuminessence Prism. A lot of our viewers have asked since we did our initial unboxing how to set them up because there are some quirks, and so we thought we'd show you the process. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need one prism panel, your controller, one of the connector chips, and of course, your power cable. Now, here's what we need to do. First, we need to make sure that the phone you're going to use to pair is connected to Wi-Fi and on a 2.4 gigahertz network. That's important. If you're connected to a 5 gigahertz network, this isn't going to work because all of these Monster Smart Illuminessence products work on 2.4. So make sure you're connected to your 2.4 gigahertz network first. Second, we're going to connect one panel to our controller because it's way easier to see the state of the device when the panel's connected than when it's not. So we're going to take our connector chip. We're going to take the red side and connect it to the controller, just like that. We're going to take our panel and connect it on the green side, and we're done. Then we're going to plug it in. When we plug it in, it could be in one of three states. It could turn on to a solid color, it might turn on to a scene, or it might turn on blinking. If it turns on and it's blinking, you're in good shape. If it's not blinking when you power it on the first time, what you'll need to do is press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. As you can see, ours is not blinking, it's in a scene. So I'm going to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. It will blink and it will blink green. That is our sign that we're doing it right. All right, so we're blinking green. Now we're going to come over to the app. And on the app in the top right corner, you'll see a plus button. We're going to hit the plus button. It's going to come up to a screen that says add manually, which is the way we want to do it. The third option says lighting Wi-Fi. We want to select that. On this next screen, it's going to remind you that 2.4 is the only option. Make sure that both your network and your password are there. If the password's not there, enter it first. And we're going to hit the next button. On the next button, it's going to remind you to make sure that you're blinking, which we've already made sure of. So we're going to hit the confirm indicator rapidly blink button and hit next. Then what you're going to see is a progress screen. First, you're going to see a search in the middle of the circle. At about 11%, give or take, it should change. And what you should see is your device should change. I'm sorry, it's at about 20% it should change. And then you'll get it done. And once you're done, you're done. Once you're there, you'll have the ability to control the color on your light, like you can see me doing here. You'll be able to put it into different scene modes, which we've done here. And of course, turn it off. A lot of the capabilities are also available on the control unit, but obviously it's way easier to do here. Now that we're connected, you have the ability to create larger scenes. You have the ability to connect it to Siri and Alexa and Google Assistant, and really kind of take advantage of these as a whole. But of course, now that we're connected, we want more than one panel, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab these other panels and we'll take these additional chips. Again, red is always towards the controller, green is always away from. So we'll connect this red chip on this side. We'll connect this red chip on this side. Now we've got two more extender pieces. We'll take our two panels, snap them into place. And honestly, it's as easy as that. Next, we're going to take our power and plug it into our control unit. And now you can see that all of the devices work in tandem. So that's obviously the whole point, is that they're easy to control once you've done the initial setup. And again, we know the initial setup is a little odd. It's a little complicated. We've gotten choked up on it ourselves, which is the reason why we wanted to do this video, because if we've stumbled on it, that means you probably have too, and the comments suggest the same. So hopefully this will help. If you have any additional questions, definitely feel free to comment on the video. We try to get back to people. It's not always timely, especially while we've been moving studios, but we do try to get back to people if we have an answer. And of course, if you want to see more how-tos, we're going to do some on the other products in the line. We've got other how-tos and unboxings. You can go to our website, PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. You can go to the subscribe tab and find all of our shows, or of course you can go to YouTube and youtube.com/PLUGHITZlive and subscribe on there. Of course, hit the notification bell, because we all know that notifications don't mean that much on YouTube anymore, so you'll know when we upload new videos. And with that, until next time, ciao.